Artists have to suffer. Hi everyone!
Cheers!
Paul here with my friend Robert.
Hello.
And where are we going today?
We're going to Santa Cruz. Paul's got a show coming up and I'm just coming along for the ride.
Oh, you're gonna be working. I feel so butch. Let's go here. Here we are in some weird alley. Artists have to suffer. Michelangelo.
That's a pretty bold comparison, I just want to say.
Surely this was how he felt all those late nights on his back, on the scaffolding.
Yeah, it might have been, but
Yeah.
I bet you he had his apprentices carry his ladders.
You know, we need some more apprentices.
Okay, if you post this, you're going to have people messaging you.
Yes.
I'm not kidding.
This could be you.
This could all be you and yours.
Applications are open now.
Okay, this is a really close-up shot because we're pretty close. Do you need me to carry out the last few steps?
No, because then I wouldn't get credit.
You got the credit. You got the full credit. We're here.
Is this the boardwalk?
Yeah, that one is. That's Santa Cruz. That one is also the boardwalk. About myself. It's very tempting. It's very tempting.
What is the idea behind this?
My dad and I were on the Peter Pan ride. We were flying over Neverland, and right in the middle of the ride, it broke. Like all the lights flickered and then went out. Kind of like came to a grinding stop, and so like it was just left this impression because it was fantasy. I was totally in this magical world one minute, and then the next minute it was like reality because they had to turn the lights on and put up big ladders and come rescue us and stuff. It was like symbolic of when things don't end up being the way you expect.
I'm like, does it go up? Oh wait.
There we go.
See, these can do that.
Yep. We just prefer not to have to. Yay!
It looks amazing. It looks incredible.
We got one!
That's Patty's Paul.
Look, it's up! That was the hard one. Is he straight?
No. I have it on very good authority.
I lose myself in fairy tale.
I'm looking at some really nice skin cream, and I am starting to get a lot of these dark sunspots because I'm a
Well, now
California
you've
boy.
got the answer.
Yeah.
Tall, dark, and handsome with his mama's eye. Spend lots of money on me, keeps me satisfied. And he always knows just what to say to have his way with me. See, baby, you're my dream come true. Yeah, yeah, yeah. When I close and open my eyes, I wanna be with you.
I love it. It's amazing. I'm so excited.
I'm sure he'll have an opinion.
Why, hello. If you like this video at all, if you guys like this video, like and subscribe below. Is that
It's
right?
not a thumbs down, it's a thumbs up.
Yeah. Hold on.
Perfect.